Hey there! Today, we're tackling one of the most fundamental questions. What is a network? Imagine you're sending a letter to a friend across the country. You write your message, drop it in a mailbox, and the postal service makes sure it gets to your friend. A network is kind of like that, but for digital information. It's a system that connects computers and other devices so they can talk to each other and share data. At its core, a network allows devices to send and receive information. Think of it like a digital highway, where data packets are the vehicles traveling to their destination. Whether you're browsing the web, checking email, or streaming music, you're using a network. Now, there are two main types of networks: LAN and WAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network, like the Wi-Fi in your house or office. It connects a small number of devices within a close area. WAN, or Wide Area Network, connects larger areas, like cities or even continents, and the internet is the biggest one of them all. Networks need a few basic components to work. These include routers, switches, and cables or wireless signals. Routers act like traffic managers, directing data where it needs to go. Switches connect devices within a LAN, and cables or Wi-Fi signals carry the data around. Security is a huge part of networking. Imagine if someone intercepted your letter before it got to your friend. In the digital world, hackers can intercept, alter, or steal data if a network isn't secure. That's why things like firewalls, encryption, and secure passwords are essential to keeping networks safe. Understanding networks is the first step to grasping how cyber attacks happen and how we defend against them. Everything from phishing scams to DDoS attacks depends on how networks operate. So if you're aiming for a career in cybersecurity, this knowledge is your foundation. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.